Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a wonderful split level, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, and approximately 4,000 square feet, located in the residential area of Swansea, which is close to Belle Plains in Clarendon. All the bedrooms are located on the first floor. Kitchen, living, dining, and washroom are on the ground floor. The gardens are well kept with a variety of plants. The property is also fully fenced and grilled. The tollgate main road is less than a mile away, which allows for quick access to Maypen or Mandeville. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 25 million or US $162.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.